Hey, this is Nick, and I'm going to teach you about sum and difference of two cubes. It's easy to solve this problem with these formulas. The sum of two cubes is a squared plus b squared equals a plus b, parentheses, a squared minus ab plus b squared. For difference, a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b, parentheses, a squared plus ab plus b squared, parentheses. So what is a and b? In this equation, a is x, and in this equation, b is equal to 5 because 125 factors into 5 cubed. To solve x cubed plus 125, you simply have to plug it into the equation. To solve the equation, you have to plug in a and b, and by doing so, you will get x cubed plus 125 equals, parentheses, x plus 5, parentheses, x squared minus 5x plus 25, parentheses. So this end product would be your final answer, and that's all you have to do, so you can stop right there. Now let's do our first example of difference of two cubes. So in this equation, what is a? In this equation, a equals 2x because ax cubed equals, parentheses, 2x, parentheses, cubed. Now, what is b in this equation? In this equation, as you factor 27, you find out that b is 3, because 3 cubed would equal 27. So, when you plug in a and b into the equation, you'll get parentheses 2x minus 3, parentheses 2x, parentheses to the power of 2, plus parentheses 2x, parentheses 3, parentheses, plus 3 squared, close parentheses. So then that becomes 4x squared, and then this part over here becomes 6x plus 9. And at the end, we get our final equation, which is 2x minus 3, parentheses, 4x squared, plus 6x plus 9, close parentheses. You can solve this equation using the sum of cubes equation that we talked about earlier. The first step in solving this problem is we must factor x out of the equation. Now, then you also factor out a 2, and when you do so, you will get 125x cubed plus 64. After you plug in a and b, your final end product should be 2x, parentheses, 5x plus 4, 20, parentheses, 25x squared plus 20x plus 16, close parentheses. Our next example is 125x cubed minus 27y cubed. Now, we must ask ourselves, what is a in this equation? In this equation, a is 5x, and also in this equation, b would be equal to 3y. This is because in this equation, 125 cubed is equal to 5x cubed. 27y cubed in this equation is equal to 3y, which is b. So once you plug in a and b to the corresponding spot in the formula, you should get 5x plus 3y, parentheses, 25x squared minus 15xy plus 9y squared. our next equation is 27p cubed plus q cubed. So for the equation, you would plug in for A, 3p. And then the next step in the equation, you plug in for B, q. Once you plug in A and B into the equation, you should get 3p plus q, parentheses 3p squared, minus 3pq plus q squared. And then, once you square everything, it will be 3p plus q, parentheses 9p squared, minus 3pq plus q2. So in this last example, we have 40u cubed minus 625v cubed. First, you must factor out the GCF of the two terms we have. So what is the GCF of this equation? So the GCF is 5. So after factoring out 5 from both numbers, you should have 8u cubed minus 125v cubed. So then after factoring out the 5, you can use the difference of two cubes formula. And just in case you forgot, here's the difference of two cubes formula once again. So the next step would be plugging in A and B into the equation, and once you do so, your new equation should be 2u minus 5v parentheses 2u squared plus 10uv plus 5v squared. Close bracket. So once you're done multiplying, your final answer should be 2u minus 5v parentheses 4u squared plus 10uv plus 25v squared. Alright, this is Nick Ray and Brendan Mason signing off. Thanks for watching.